Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's tutorial we are going to be learning how to create a Telegram group. But before you dive into the video, make sure you subscribe to this channel and click on the bell icon so that you get notified anytime I upload a new video. So creating a Telegram group is very easy and simple. All you have to do is click on this three dash at the left here, then it will show up this place that is written new group. Once you click here, you are expected to add at least one member. So here I'm going to find my friend. I'm going to add my friend because this is a tutorial video, and some people will be angry when you add them to a group without letting them know. As you can see, I've added one person already, and one cool feature about this Telegram group is that it can add up to 200 members. You can add up to 200 members to the group, so it is very useful when you have a lot of audience. So all I have to do now is click this arrow down below. Then here you will have to put in your group name. So I'm going to name it my name. So let me name it my Instagram name. So my Instagram name is Ezebebe1. So this is the name that we are going to give the group, and this is my Instagram group. You can follow me there. I'm always active on Instagram. Follow me there and I will follow you immediately. And follow me back. I will follow you back immediately. Then once you have written the group name, you click on this arrow below. As you can see, the group is already created. So all you have to do now is to add the group icon of this group. So to do that, you click on the name of the group and you click on this pencil icon at the top right corner. Once you click here you have the opportunity to change the name if you want to change the name, but we are not here to change the name. So what we are going to do, what we are here for is to put in a group photo. By doing that, you click on this place that is written set photo or video. Once you click there, the picture on your gallery will show up. Then you pick the one you like or the one that you have customized for the group. Let me look for some pictures. I think this one is okay. So once you have selected the picture, click on this arrow below. So as you can see, the picture has popped up on the group icon. Once you are getting to this step, what you have to do is click on this arrow here. As you can see, the picture is already there, the name of the group is already there. This is the total people in the group. That is me and the person that I added. So the picture and everything is done. Your Telegram group has been created. So all you have to do now is invite your friends or your audience by sending them links or adding them. That is how to create a Telegram group. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you subscribe to this channel, and also make sure you subscribe because on my next video I'm going to be showing you how you can customize your Telegram group to make it a little bit professional, like pinning a message or adding a bot to help you control your group. So make sure you subscribe and click on the bell icon so you get notified anytime I upload a new video. Thank you.